Hi, this is Eric Blackburn. This is my EDL 852 Mod 3 video, Powtoon's creation examining leadership styles, characteristics, and traits. Examining my own leadership styles, I found that I was a democratic and authentic leader. Democratic leaders are going to be ones that are willing to look at the greater good based on the sum of all of the components. Believe that everybody has something to bring, and together we can accomplish more than what just one could. Basically, the sum of the whole is greater. Sum of the parts is greater than the individual parts. As an authentic leader, I believe in being honest and open with my staff and those that I'm leading, and also with giving them who I really am and expecting them to give me who they are. Some different characteristics that I find and traits with authentic and democratic leaders is respect for others. I value honesty. I embrace communication. I'm willing to take risks. Taking risks, I hope that my staff will see that I take risks, and that even if we don't necessarily come out on top, we do grow from the risks, and then they too will do that. We can all grow together. Some different characteristics that were shown as being effective and important for great leaders. Visionary leadership, community builder, and emotional intelligence were noted by Aguilar in 2014. Horton stated that ethics makes us more effective leaders. We found from Tracy in 2019 that different characteristics of a great leader were vision, courage, integrity, humility, strategic planning, focus, and cooperation. And finally, according to Horton again in 2016, moral ethical values must include compassion, respect, responsibility, fairness, and honesty. I guess I said compassion first. The different leadership theories that were mentioned were the great man theory. That is the idea that either you have it or you don't. The trait theory of leadership stated that what traits that we should emulate to be effective leaders. The skills theory of leadership examined practical skills rather than qualities of a leader. You need to be technically sound, have technical leaders, technical skills, people skills, and conceptual skills. The style theory of leadership stated that we should be focused on people, but also on performance. The situational leadership theory states that no size fits all. Essentially, leaders must be able to adapt to those that they are leading. Continuing on with number 6 through 10. Number 6, the contingency theory of leadership. Fit the right leader to the appropriate situation, meaning just because one leader is great in a situation doesn't mean they're going to be great in the next one. Transactional leadership. People will follow based on incentives in place. Leaders must find the right mix of rewards and punishments to motivate their subordinates. Number 8, the transformational leadership theory. Leaders gain commitment through encouragement. They transform the environment to cultivate leadership rather than paying or punishing good or bad behaviors. Number 9, leaders members exchange theory. It's built on respect between leadership and followers with an in-group and an out-group that affects performance and the desire to stay and work for others. And finally, number 10, the servant leadership theory. If the leader creates an environment built upon meeting the needs of subordinates with trust, cooperation, higher performance will result. And that was all by Christianity 2013. Examining the questions that we were supposed to address. Are there ethics in my leadership style, characteristics, and traits? I would say yes, yes, yes. Everything that we do must be ethically grounded if we hope to be an effective leader. If we're not ethically grounded, too many questions can be called upon, and you're not going to be doing what's best for all involved. Why do I have my leadership style, traits, characteristics? Much of who I am is rooted in my upbringing. I was brought up believing that you should treat others with respect, do what is right, and stand up for what you believe in, and that is then basically followed me into my leadership roles, and that's how I expect others to act, and that's how I treat those that I am leading. Many of my leadership traits are also a reflection of great leaders I've seen and been led by. This could be coaches, teachers, mentors, and bosses. The flip side of that is I've also had several leaders that were not effective or ones that I did not want to emulate, and I've examined traits that they had that I would not want to have. Setting the positive example as a male in my school is having an impact on students. Many do not have a positive male in their home, and others do not see the benefits of hard work, respect, and accountability at home. I feel like it's up to me to set those examples and let them see that if they want to be successful in their future, they should emulate some of the things that I'm doing. Different changes that I need to see to my leadership style, characteristics, and traits to best suit everybody would be I need to increase my patience level. I don't have a lot of patience, be it as a father or as a leader. Also, I need to be more understanding of differences in people related to their effectiveness, their time management, and their prioritization. I struggle knowing that I have a great time management. I'm extremely effective and tend to excel at prioritizing what needs to be done, and therefore struggle to lead people that can't also do those things. So finally, my reference sheet, you see those listed in APA format. Thank you for viewing my video.